Lamaqembu akhononda ngombiko wabaphenyi mayelana nokufika komkhumbi waseRussia iLady R ngozibandlela ongonyaka odlule. Oyilungu leDA ePhalamende uthi Yize ebeyimisela ukulekelela uphenyo, kodwa abaphenyi bebefuna ukwazi ngokuma komkhumbi kuphela.
I was approached at the proverbial number 99 of the whole process. And at that stage, I've asked them, first of all, what is their terms of reference? In other words, what is their objective? What kind of information do they require?
EDA isikhetho ukuthatha inyathelo zomthetho.
My legal advice was, listen, if it's only so limited, their scope is so limited, then we don't know what they want to achieve with this. If it is a process that they want to give legitimacy and credibility to the process, then it is not wise to share what I know.
Okunye ungawagculisanga amanye amaqembu aphikisayo ukuthi umbiko wophenyo awunazo izimpendulo mayelana nesizathu sokuma komkhumbi esikhumulweni semikhumbi yempi.
And even on that, the president didn't even respond yesterday on why Simonstown was the harbour to use to offload that, because that in itself is highly irregular. Because Simonstown is not an official port of entry or a customs port of entry anyway.
EDA ithi isacabanga inyathelo engayithatha ukuphoxa umengameli ukuthi awudlulisele emphakathini umbiko wophenyo.